Hello and welcome to Chartbusters. I'm Nigel D'Souza and joining me as always is Mangalam Malu. Well, Mangalam, the markets are interestingly priced, right? From where we've been bouncing the last couple of days is around that 16,950 odd mark. Now we're at the low point of the day. Risk reward, at least going by the evidence that we have in the past few days, has been you buy around the 16,950 to around 17,000 odd. You're getting a bit of a bounce. The problem today, I think, is the Nifty Bank. After a while, that's shown a relative underperformance. It's down close to around 400 points as we speak. So keep an eye out on the Nifty Bank. That needs to bounce as well. Remember, that one as well is very, very close to its support zone. Earlier this week, it went to around 38,500, 38,600. And from there, we saw a bit of a bounce. So both the Nifty and the Nifty Bank at very, very crucial levels. The Nifty Bank, that's the one that needs to support it for the bulls.
Interesting is the word that you put, Nigel, and that's perhaps the apt word to describe the way the market is right now as well, because thrice in the last 3 times we've approached that 200-day moving average. We bounce back from that. Can we get 4 times lucky? We've seen a fair amount of put writing as well. And if we don't see support at lower levels, then those put writers will have to unwind their positions. So there could be a case for further downside as well. So let's see where we go from here. But we do have with us Sacchitanand Uttekar for a quick check on the market. Sachi, where do you think we go from here? Because now we're closer to support zones. Would it make sense to buy, or you would wait for confirmation of a bounce from lower levels?
Good morning, Mangalam. Nigel. Clearly, the way we are looking at it, we are seeing the observations of an inside bar formation. Now, this particular sequence of yesterday, and look at today's data, as 17,140 looks like a resistance. On the lower side, 16,960 is probable support. So probably when it comes to Nifty, we may see it oscillate within this particular range itself. And 17,000 on a closing basis may not be breached. But if you look at Bank Nifty, I think the expiry pane is placed somewhere close to 38,500. So we are of the opinion that, if you look at both the indices, it is better to create some short positions even at this juncture in Bank Nifty. We are expecting this particular move that has commenced an hour back to move towards 38,450 eventually. So fresh shorts should be added in Bank Nifty. Stop loss should be placed at 38,930. And on the lower side, 38,400, 450 would be an ideal level to cover your profits.
Okay, all right. And so you're sounding a little bit, to the negative bias, both on the Nifty and the Nifty Bank. Shorting the Nifty Bank is what you're recommending. But Sachi, what about individual stocks? What are you looking at?
Well, Nigel, I think defensives are doing well. And if you look at the data of Dr. Reddy's, after a sequence of fall, we saw a bullish hammer formation in yesterday's trading session. The confirmation of the same has been set in today's session. So probably we may see it recovering back to its 200-day exponential moving average, whereas it is placed at around 43.40. So we have advised our clients to build some long positions here. The stop loss for the trade should be placed at 42.30, and all the declines should be bought for a target of 43.40. And on the short side, we are seeing some bouts of distribution when it comes to Indian Hotel. After 16 weeks of an up move, this is the first time wherein its 5-week exponential moving average has been breached. If you look at the weekly RSI, there is a negative crossover already established. And even if you look at the daily structure, we have seen a confident negative crossover on its averages 5 and 20. So the data is supporting the fact that we may see this particular slide getting extended towards 300, 305 levels. So positional short idea on Indian Hotels, the stop loss should be placed at around 328.
Oh, interesting. Positional short idea on Indian Hotels. The stock is under pressure after having seen a big rally. So we'll keep an eye out on that one. Sachi, thanks a lot for joining in. Take a short break. On the other side, we'll be back with the management of Ethos Watches. They will detail